This machine uses friction to deform and heat metal for extrusion. It can create next-generation metal components and more easily recycle scrap metal. The technology is called ShAPE, Shear Assisted Processing and Extrusion. And the second-generation machine has arrived at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory. Bigger, faster, and more powerful than its predecessor, ShAPE 2 can extrude larger, more complex components. It's a huge step toward industrial applications and realizing our nation's decarbonization goals.